How to delete Netflix profile on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can basically delete your Netflix profile on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to delete your Netflix profile on iPhone, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Netflix application here, and here you can see a list of profiles that I can choose. But if you would like to go ahead and then delete a certain profile, you have to make sure to tap the edit icon from the top right hand side of the screen. After you do that, just select your profile that you'd like to delete, and once you select that profile, at the very bottom you'll find the option called delete profile. When you tap on it, you can tap the delete option and this profile will get successfully deleted. This way you can go ahead and then basically delete the Netflix profile. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.